Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Xero for investor bookkeeping. To authenticate with Xero for investor bookkeeping, start by accessing the Xero website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your Xero account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Select Settings from the menu on the left side. In the Settings menu, look for API options or similar integrations. Click on API keys or Manage API credentials. If you haven't created an application yet, choose the option to create a new application. Fill in the required details such as the application name and a brief description. Select the authorized redirect URIs. These URIs should point to the location where you want to capture authentication responses from Xero. After creating the application, note down the client ID and client secret provided. Next, open your preferred coding environment to set up the authentication process. Use the OAuth 2.0 protocol for secure authentication. Begin by installing necessary libraries for handling HTTP requests and OAuth. Next, create a request for the authorization code. Direct users to the authorization URL generated using your client ID. Once they log in, an authorization code will be sent back to the redirect URI. Use this code to request an access token from Xero. Provide the necessary parameters like client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. Upon successful authentication, the access token will be returned. Store the access token securely for future API calls. If needed, implement a refresh token process to maintain ongoing access. With the token in hand, you can now interact with the Xero API for investor bookkeeping tasks. Make API calls to retrieve financial data and automate bookkeeping tasks. Ensure to follow Xero's API rate limits and best practices for smooth operation. Regularly check for API updates or changes in authentication procedures. Finally, monitor the access granted to ensure data security and integrity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.